Hello guys and welcome back. This is my Christmas all year round 2025 project for February that I am working on. So I know I have not been doing my goals. I now have to return back to work 5 days a week. So I haven't really had the time to really craft and stuff, because I've been processing everything that's going on and adjusting to my new way of life and stuff. And I also suffer from winter blues. So I just been reading a lot and just taking care of my mental health in this time. So, but I am going to get back on board with my crafting and trying to be more consistent. I just need to figure out how is that going to look now. So, but today I am using honeybee stamps. So what is this one called? Snow Family Like Ours. This is an older set. Really cute. I picked this up when they had their was it the New Year's? It was either Black Friday sale. Matter of fact, I don't think I got anything during the New Year's sale. So yeah, when they had their Black Friday sale, because they had like a 3-day sale. So on the first day, I think it was like 25% off your order. So I picked that up during that time. I picked up a lot of stuff. Oh my goodness, guys, I got so much stuff from the last couple of months that I hadn't even shown in a haul and stuff. So we're going to be working with that. I've already have everything prepped. So pretty much as a part of that new normal, I kind of have to like do things in steps. So it'll be harder for me to do like full process videos, like with coloring and die cutting and all of that stuff. It'll be a little bit harder to do now. Okay, here goes my pieces. So I pretty much have to do things in steps throughout the week. Especially if I want to come on here and do a video. Because I was going to just put this card together and then just come on and show you the finished project. Oops, hold on, let me find a pen. Actually, I do have a pen. Okay. Trying to get this. Okay, there we go. That tells you how long it's been since I've been in this craft room. I pretty much haven't been really in this craft room since the January one. I just really haven't had the time and stuff. And then I'm constantly in a state of shock. So I've just been reading a lot to like, that really just been helping with my mental health and stuff, and just being able to escape into reading. I'm gonna hope I cut this down right. Okay. Okay, and then as a part of the die set, they have like this little heel. I'm going to add that on. So I kept this fairly simple, because then as it gets closer and closer to Christmas, if I really want to make some more of this, I have a sample of what I've done, and I can definitely replicate this to make more. I may not have any more of the paper. I have some more, but I don't have too many pieces. but at least I know what I've done. So for my images, I use my Ahuhu, is that how you pronounce it? Markers. Okay. And so then I have this cute little family, and I'm missing one. Oh, I see it. Okay. And then I want to do this. I'm going to use that one on a different project. I wanted to create this cute little family. And then I'm going to have that there. Okay. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, and the one thing I love about this set is you really get a lot of nice sentiments. So you can make as many of these cards and use different sentiments each time. Let's see, do I want to pop her up? I think I'm going to pop her up. Okay. And let me tell you, my little dogs, they've been keeping me busy too. They've been whining up. Well, my older dog has been whining a lot lately. Like, he really wants a lot of attention. My youngest dog, the puppy, she's pretty independent. She's pretty cool. And she's very, very loving. She's a mini golden doodle. And then I have a Yorkie that is 9 years old. But I got him last year. We pretty much adopted him from one of my ex's friends. So I let one of my neighbors laugh because she said, "It seems like you got rid of the boyfriend but kept the dog." And I was like, "Yeah, pretty much." Okay. Then we're going to pop up our sentiment there. And then we're supposed to get some snow here on Tuesday. The first one said it was going to get 8 to 10 inches. Then it said we're getting 4 to 5. Let's see. Okay, before I commit. Okay, and I think I want to add something else. Ooh, what's this? Okay, I think I'm going to add some of this pop of color from scrapbook.com. And let me just, okay, do a little test. And I'm not going to put it everywhere. I'm just going to put it in. So I love this thing because it comes out really nicely. Okay. Oh, did a little too much right there. Okay, but able to fix it. And it's really easy to use and easy to fix. Okay. So there goes my card for the February's edition of Christmas All Year Round 2025. Don't forget to look at our other YouTubers. I have their channels listed in the description bar so you can go see what they made. Alrighty, guys. Bye-bye.